Now, unlike some languages, like if you have experience with PHP or Ruby or JavaScript, C# is a typed language. And you guys have already heard me say the word type quite a few times. A type simply specifies what a variable can accomplish. And right now we have an example of a very simple type, and that type is called string. A string, which is right here defined or specified by the word string with S being a lowercase, is a way to store text data. Limited amounts of text data can be placed into any variable of type string. I've named this variable name, and then I've terminated this line with a semicolon. Basically, what this line does at the top of main is it specifies that at some point during the execution of main, I will want to store text data, and I want that text data to be called name so that I can reference it at other points in my code. See, if I didn't actually reference name anywhere else, there would be no point for this variable. But the fact that I identified it, again, this is an identifier, has the word name, I can reference it in multiple places depending on what I want to do with it. So a string isn't the only thing that we can use as far as types. And I want to point out one quick thing. This is an interesting fact that not a lot of people know, but I think is very important. The string type, string is a class, is built into the BCL. In fact, this keyword right here, string, we know it's a keyword because it's blue, is an alias for system.string. Now, I do already have system imported, so I didn't have to put that system dot, but I just wanted to make it explicit right here that all string is an alias for system.string. System.string is part of the BCL provided to us by the .NET framework. It's available in every .NET language. However, because it's so common, the creators of C# decided to create an alias for us called string with an undercase s that just expands into system.string. Now again, that is the type of this variable.